to thank the class for giving me this award, and I would like also to thank God for giving me the class for this semester. Hopefully I am able to deliver what is expected. Hopefully this will not be the end of our friendship. Hopefully you will still see me, and you're always welcome to approach me anytime you have any problem. Not only academics, other matters, but of course financial is not my concern. Financial, you go to your parents. Okay? I can only give what I know best. So hopefully with God's grace and God's help, we will be able to survive. And I'll be your partner to your journey in this school. Maraming salamat.